How to change your email address on Rocket Money. If you don't know how to change your email address on Rocket Money, just ensure that you watch this video to the end. The first step is to launch the app. Now, once you've launched the app, you report to a page where you'd see different sites that you can subscribe to using Rocket Money. And then you can see the checking option and the credit card option on that checking option. Then the second step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the gear or the settings icon. Once you see this, click on it. After clicking on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, select profile because that is our focus in this video. Now, the select profile, you'll be taken to the profiles page where you see your account info. Under the account info, you'll see email address. All right, this is my email address currently. Now, to change this, just click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to enter your new email. All right, so once you enter your new email, click on save, and once you click on save, if the email is accepted or meets the requirement, it should be changed. But if not, it will display this error message. So ensure that the email address meets the requirements. Click on save, and then just like that, the email will be changed and updated. So this is how you can change your email address on Rocket Money. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.